So today we will be discussing about 7th class English. The first lesson, that is the town mouse and the country mouse. So after listening my video, after listening to my class, if you like my class, give it a big thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Okay? And I just wanted to tell you, if you want any other lessons of any class or any grammar lessons, you can put it in the comment section. Today, let's discuss our first lesson, that is the town mouse and the country mouse in class 7. In class 7th class, first lesson in first unit, that is the town mouse and the country mouse. So here we are going to discuss, or we are going to learn about the various lifestyles, how the town mouse is living or the country mouse is living, and how they are enjoying their respective habitats, how they are enjoying their respective lifestyles. So those are all we are going to discuss today. So first of all, the town mouse. What is a town mouse? The mouse which lives in a town, and the country mouse is, country is nothing but a village. A village is called a country, or the area or the place which is outside the towns and cities with full of greenery is also called a country. Okay, you can see here village or an area outside towns or cities with fields and farms is called a country. Okay, so let's move into the lesson. Actually, I have read the lesson in my earlier video, so I'll put it in the iCard. So if you want to read it along with me, you can read it. And now today I'm going to just explain the lesson. And in the next video, I'll be discussing with you the grammar part, the question answers, everything. Okay, fine. Let's move on. So the town mouse and the country mouse. The town mouse and the country mouse were cousins. Were they? They are cousins, which means relatives. Okay. They often wrote to each other. So they often used to write letters to each other. So town mouse used to write letter to country mouse, and country mouse used to write letter to town mouse. One day the town mouse got this letter from his cousin. I'll put a picture here. This is the letter which was got by the country mouse. Okay, the country mouse got a letter from his town mouse cousin. So what is the letter? Let's get into the letter. Kitchen cupboard, Mouse Town, 11 March 2012. So from where is the town mouse writing? The town mouse is writing from the kitchen cupboard, Mouse Town, and it is writing the date also, 11th March 2012. Okay, now it is salutation. Dear cousin, this calling. This is called salutation. Dear cousin, it is calling his cousin. Who is his cousin? Country mouse or the village mouse, right? I have been ill with cough and my doctor feels I need a holiday. So what did it write? What did the town mouse write? The town mouse wrote, I have been ill with cough. I am suffering from cough and my doctor told that I need to take rest. I need a holiday. I want to take some rest. He has advised me to spend a week in the countryside. So, town mouse doctor advised to the town mouse to spend 1 week in the countryside. May I stay with you? Please give me an early reply. The town mouse is requesting. This is requesting or asking permission. The town mouse is asking permission to the country mouse. May I come and stay with you? Please reply. Please give me an early reply. Give me an early reply. Okay. With warm regards, yours affectionately, town mouse. To front, who's the address on the envelope? It is country mouse address. What is the country mouse address? Country mouse, mouse hole, mouse country. Country mouse, the mouse hole, mouse country. Receiving the invitation from the country mouse, the town mouse packed his bags and caught the next train to the countryside. So, the country mouse wrote an immediate reply to the town mouse, and the town mouse immediately after receiving the reply, it started packing its bags. So, packed his bags. What does pack here means? Going for a trip. See here, I did not write. Yes. To put clothes, etc. into your bag in preparation for a trip away from home. So if you are going to, you are packing everything, you are putting everything, your clothes, your accessories, whatever things you want to for a trip, for a vacation, you are putting into your bag. So that is called pack. Okay. Affectionately is nothing but lovingly or showing love or showing caring feelings and love. Okay. So immediately after receiving the reply from Country Mouse, what did the Town Mouse do? The Town Mouse packed its bags and caught the next train. It took the next train and it went to the countryside. The day was bright and sunny, and soon the Town Mouse began to feel hot in the train. So the day was very bright, which means it was full of light and it was shining. And the sun was shining brightly. And soon the Town Mouse began to feel hot in the train. So the Town Mouse was coming in a normal, like a sleeper coach, or you can say a general coach. Okay, so it was coming in a sleeper coach or a general coach. So it was feeling very uncomfortable and it was feeling hot in the train because the day was sunny and bright. I wish there was an air-conditioned coach, he said to himself. I feel very uncomfortable here. So what was the Town Mouse thinking? The Town Mouse was thinking that it was telling to itself, I wish I could have, there was an air-conditioned coach, which means AC coach. You have 2-tier, 3-tier ACs, right? In AC coaches. He said to himself, the Town Mouse was telling to himself, I feel very uncomfortable here. I'm very uncomfortable here. I wish I would have an AC, air-conditioned coach. Uncomfortable means which is not comfortable and unpleasant. You can say unpleasant or not comfortable. However, there was nothing he could do about it. So, he was not able to do anything. Okay, he could not change it because he already came into the train, he sat into the train and he was traveling on the train, right? So, he grumbled to himself while the train chugged slowly into the country. The Country Mouse was waiting at the station. So, what did the Town Mouse do? The Town Mouse grumbled to himself. He was talking to himself. What did grumble mean? To complain about something in a bad-tempered way. It is grumbling to itself. It is talking to itself. And it is telling itself, I did not like this. Okay. And now, the train slowly chugged into the countryside. What is chug? To move, making the sound of an engine. Right? The train started chugging, which means the train started making the sound of an engine and it is moving slowly into the countryside. Who is waiting here? Country Mouse is waiting for his cousin. Okay? Oh, cousin, the Town Mouse said as soon as he got off the train. So he was surprised and he was telling, oh, cousin, he said. The train was dreadful. I feel terribly hot and thirsty. I hope you have something ice cold for me to drink at home. Oh, cousin, the Town Mouse said. Right, as soon as immediately he stepped out from the train, he said, oh, cousin. And then he was complaining about the train journey with his cousin. What was he complaining? The train was dreadful. Dreadful means, what is dreadful? You can see here. Very bad or unpleasant. Dreadful means very bad or unpleasant. The journey was not pleasant. It faced an unpleasant journey. Okay. I feel terribly hot and thirsty. Now the Town Mouse is telling, I feel terribly hot and thirsty. I want something to drink. I hope you have something ice cold for me to drink at home. Now the Town Mouse is telling, I hope you have something ice cold for me to drink at home. Well, I have some water. The Country Mouse is telling, yes, I have some water to drink. But I can look around for some coconut water if you like. If you like, I can look around for some coconut water if you want. Coconut water? Asked the Town Mouse in horror. It was horror. It was afraid and it was telling, coconut water? Are you going to give me coconut water? Don't you have any orange juice or a lemonade? Now the town mouse is asking, don't you have orange juice or a lemonade? Lemonade is nothing but a drink made up of lemon is called lemonade. Okay. I'm afraid not, replied his cousin. I don't have those things. I have only water and one more thing. What does it have? It has coconut water. But the town mouse is not satisfied with both of those. But I found a nice piece of root today and a tender bit of sugar cane. I'm sure you'll enjoy that. Now the country mouse is telling, I found a nice piece of root and a tender bit of sugar cane. I found a small tender bit of sugar cane and I found a nice piece of root. I hope you're going to enjoy it. You can enjoy it. You can have it and you can enjoy it. Root, sugar cane. The town mouse exclaimed, but I don't eat raw food like that. The town mouse exclaimed, root, sugar cane? I'm not going to eat the raw food. I don't like to eat the raw food. I want to enjoy the cooked food. The town mouse is telling because it used to stay in the town, so they did not have a chance to eat the raw food. Right? In towns we can see many people keep all the cooked food, whereas in villages we see mostly raw food available and we have less quantity of cooked food. The country mouse said, this is what we eat in the country, so I am afraid you two have to eat this. Try it. It's not bad. This is what we all eat in a country. Try it. That's not bad. That's good. I think you're going to like it. I'm afraid you also have to eat this. The town mouse did not enjoy this dinner at all because everything is raw, but the town mouse is not able to eat it. Right? When you go to your villages also, you feel the same way, right? When you go to your grandmother's house and all that, where you will see your grandmother's cooked food is different from your mom's food, right? So when there is a difference, you will feel like that's a new thing for you. Yes? He nibbled at the root and the sugar cane and then said he wanted to sleep. He nibbled at the root and at the sugar cane and then he went to sleep. He just said, I wanted to sleep and he went to sleep. Okay, what is nibbling? He just ate with disinterest. He was not interested to eat that. He was eating little. He was eating little and he said he wanted to sleep and he went to sleep. The country mouse showed a corner in the mouse hole and said, there you are, you can sleep there. What did the country mouse do? It did not show it any bed. It showed a corner. It showed a small corner here and said, in the mouse hole and said, that's your place, go and sleep there. That's your place to sleep. Now, let's see the reactions of the town mouse. On the ground, asked the town mouse, do I have to sleep on the ground? The town mouse was surprised and was shocked. On the ground? Do I have to sleep on the ground? It was asking. Yes, this is how to sleep in the country, his cousin answered. What did the country mouse say? The country mouse said, yes, this is how we sleep in the country, in the village. We'll sleep like this only. As the town mouse lay down on the hard, cold ground, he suddenly thought of something. Cousin, he called out. Now the town mouse slept on the hard, cold ground. The ground is very hard, right? And it was cold. And he suddenly thought of something and he woke up. Cousin! It was calling his cousin. Yes, what's it? The country mouse asked. The country mouse was asking, yes, what do you want? Why is it so quiet here? Where are all the cars and lorries? Where are the radios and the televisions? Where are all the lights? Yes, in the town or in the city, you will see there will be night throughout the night. You will hear all the horns, everything, right? The same way, the town mouse is asking the country mouse, why is it so quiet here? Why is it very silent and calm? Why is it so calm? Quiet is nothing but silent or calm. Why is it so quiet? Where are all the cars and lorries? Where are the radios and the televisions? Where are all the lights? Where are all these things? Where did these things go? This is how it is in the country, the cousin replied. What did the cousin reply? The cousin said, this is how it will be in the the village. In the villages it will be always like this. Sometimes it is even quieter than today. Than today it will be quieter than today. My grandfather says that our village is the quietest amongst all the villages in our district. So this country mouse grandfather was telling, it seems, used to tell that their village is the quietest village among all the villages in that particular district. Oh, is it? The country is a strange place, said the town mouse. The town mouse said, oh, is it? The country is a very strange place. The town mouse said. But he said to himself, I don't think I like this place. So it is telling to itself. Who is telling? Town mouse is telling. I don't think I am going to like this place. Next morning, the town mouse found that there was no breakfast ready. Next morning, the town mouse woke up and it found that there was no breakfast ready. His cousin told him that they had to go to the nearby farm in search of food. His cousin told that they have to go to the nearby farm in search of food. They have to go and search for food in the nearby farm. We are sure to find something there, he said. He said, we are sure we are going to find something there. A nice piece of root or a tender bit of sugarcane. Again this country mouse is telling, we are sure we are going to find something new there. What is that? The same thing which he did not like it. The town mouse did not like it earlier. The same thing that the country mouse is telling. What is it telling? A nice root or a tender bit of sugarcane, we are going to find the church. But the town mouse had enough. Thank you, cousin, he said. But I think I will catch the next train home. I have suddenly remembered that I have forgotten something. The town mouse did not like the situation. And it's telling, so it remembered something and it said, thank you, cousin. I will catch the next train home. I remembered suddenly something, I forgot something, so I wanted to go home. Town mouse said. A few days later, the country mouse wrote to his cousin, the town mouse. Here is the letter. So you can see the letter here. So what is the letter? Mouse Hole, Mouse Country. 22 March 2012. My dear cousin, I hope you are all well. You are well. I am worried about you. I would like to visit you and make sure you are all right. With love, your cousin country mouse to town mouse, kitchen cupboard, mouse town. So who is writing the letter now? Country mouse. Country mouse was worried about the town mouse and it wanted to visit and have a look how the town mouse is feeling. Whether is it feeling good or not. So it wrote a letter to the town mouse. The town mouse received the letter and read it. Since he was in a hurry, he sent a telegram to the country mouse. Here is his telegram. You can see the telegram here. The town mouse got the letter and read it. The town mouse read the letter and since he was in a hurry, he sent a telegram. It was in a very hurry, so it sent a telegram to the country mouse. Here is the telegram. Overjoyed, come soon, town mouse. I am very happy. Overjoyed is nothing but very happy. Come soon, come very fast, town mouse. A few days later, the country mouse arrived in the town. He was surprised by the noise and the lights. A few days later, after receiving the telegram, the country mouse came to the town and he was surprised by the noise and the lights. He was surprised, he was shocked by looking at the lights and the noises which he is able to hear in the town. Because always in the villages it will be quiet when compared to town street. Why were there lights even in the middle of the night? He asked his town mouse cousin. What did he ask? Why were there lights even in the middle of the night? Why there were lights in the middle of the night? This is the town, his cousin replied. Here there are lights even in the middle of the day. This is town, my dear cousin. There are lights even in the middle of the day also. And what is this dreadful noise that never stops? Asked the country mouse. Country mouse is asking, what is this dreadful noise? What is dreadful? Which we have studied, very bad or unpleasant. Right? So it's asking, what is this dreadful noise? I am unable to hear it. Asked the country mouse. That is the traffic. That is the sound of the traffic. The town mouse replied, that's the noise made by buses, lorries cars and aeroplanes. That's the dreadful noise is made by the buses, cars, lorries and aeroplanes. But the country mouse did not like it at all. But the country mouse did not like the situation it is put into. All this noise has made my head ache. All this noise made my head ache. I'm getting headache. He said, could I have some water to drink? I want to have some water to drink. But the country mouse, why only water? Said the town mouse. Look at what there is for you. Ice cold, lemonade, orange juice. Which one do you want? Why are you asking only for water? I have many things for you. Look at there. There is lemonade, orange juice, ice cold. Everything is ice cold. Which one do you want? Just some water is enough. Asked the country mouse. Some water and a little bit of food. I want only some water and little bit of food. I have plenty of food, cousin, said the town mouse proudly. You can look at the picture here. I'll show you. I'll put a picture here. Okay. Now proudly the country mouse is telling. Town mouse is telling. I have so much of food here. Don't worry. You need not worry. I have plenty of food. You can eat as much as you like. You can eat whatever you like. How much you want, whatever you want, how much ever you want. There is no limit for the quantity. You can eat how much ever you want. Sure, enough. The house of the town mouse at the back of the kitchen cupboard was full of most delicious food. So, the house of the town mouse. Yes, where is the house of the town mouse? At the back side of the kitchen cupboard. And it is having very delicious food. Delicious food is nothing but tasty food. Very tasty food. There was bread, jam, different kinds of fruits, slabs of chocolate and a huge piece of lovely cheese. So, there was bread, jam, chocolate, slabs means bars of chocolates. And a huge piece of lovely cheese. Cheese was also there. Eat, cousin, eat, said the town mouse. The town mouse was telling the country mouse, eat, cousin, eat, eat. But then there was a sound like a thunder and the town mouse shouted, run, cousin, run, run. So it was telling, first what he would say? It said, eat, cousin, eat, eat. You have a lot of food. Then there was some sudden sound of thunder. What was the sound? What is meant by thunder? The sound which comes when it is raining or just before it rains. You can hear thunders. Right? Like that there was some sound. Maybe it would be the sound of the kitchen cupboard door. Right? And what is it telling? Run, cousin, run, run. The town mouse pushed the country mouse out through a hole in the back of the cupboard. The country mouse felt his heart beating very fast. What is it? He asked. What did the town mouse do? The town mouse pushed the country mouse into the hole at the back side of the kitchen cupboard. And the country mouse heart was beating very fast. It did not have never experienced it like this, right? So it's asking, what happened? Why? Why is it happening like this? And its heart is beating very fast. But what is it? He asked. What is it? Shh, whispered the town mouse. Wait. Shh, don't talk. Wait. Let's check it. So let's see. When everything was silent again, the town mouse crept out of the hole. He was quite cheerful again. Now, everything was silent. There was no sound. The town mouse slowly, what did it do? It just creeped out of the hole. It is creeping out of the hole. Creeping means moving on four legs. Right? The babies creep or just creeping, moving on fours, moving with body like this. Okay? Come out now, cousin, he said. Come out. No one is there. Come out. Cheerful is very happy. Okay? Come out now, cousin, he said. That was only somebody opening the cupboard door. We are safe now. That's the sound of somebody opening the door. We are safe now. No need to worry. But they were not safe for very long. But they are not going to be safe for very long. Twice more they had to run for safety when somebody opened the cupboard door. Yes, obviously one or the other, sometime or the other time, they'll be opening the door, they'll be closing the door, right? Like the same way, twice, 2 times that happened for them again and again. Somebody opened the door, they had to run to the hole, and then again they came out to eat some food, again they have to run to the hole if somebody opens. The country mouse got quite tired of running and hiding. The country mouse did not like the situation it is put into. It was tired of running and hiding. I want to go back to the country, he said. I want to go back to the country. I am not going to stay here in the town. We may not get much food there, but at least we can eat in peace. We don't have much food there, but we can eat in peace. Okay? Let's tell you. So the next day, the country mouse went back to his house in the country, and the town mouse stayed on in his kitchen cupboard in the town. And so, as far as I know, they did not visit each other again. So the next day, what happened? This country mouse went back to his country, and the town mouse stayed in his cupboard. And as far as the author knows, they did not meet each other again. So here, what did we observe in this lesson? We can observe that the different lifestyles of the people who are living in the country and different lifestyle of people who are living in the town or a city. Right? There are two different lifestyles, and people who live in the country cannot survive. It's difficult for them to survive in the town or city. And whereas people who lived in the town or city, when they move to the villages, it's difficult for them to stay there. And each and every place will have its own importance. You should not disrespect. You should not disrespect either a town or a city or a village, or a village. You have to give equal importance to both of them. Okay? Thanks for listening. If you like my video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button down. Okay? Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.